I take great pride in returning my patients to a healthy level of function and making sure they understand each step of the process along the way. It gives me a lot of satisfaction making sure my patients are put at ease and that they understand the process.
As an orthopedic hip and knee surgeon, one of the most successful parts of my practice is seeing a successful treatment for a patient with a good outcome.
I enjoy people, and seeing them return to happy, functional life is probably the reason I'm in orthopedics, because that's what we get to do, and it's a great thing.
We strive to give excellent treatment and care to our patients and work together as a team. My patients have been and always will be my first and only priority.
The most rewarding aspect of my work is playing an important role in the life-changing and emotional experiences in helping patients improve their pain and achieve their goals.
As part of the clinical team, we do reserve the right and strive to treat everyone with the utmost respect, genuine empathy, and most of all, with top-notch care.
I'm always putting myself in the patient's shoe. I'm doing something that I would want someone to do for me if I was the patient.
I work together with Dr. Miranda to provide the best patient care, to improve patients' overall well-being, and establish a treatment plan for them.
It's my privilege to take care of patients. It's not the patient's privilege to see me.
The relationship between the provider and patient is that we work together to achieve a desired goal.